Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with WordPress, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin registering with WordPress, open your web browser. Type wordpress.com in the address bar and press enter. Once the WordPress homepage loads, locate the Start Your Website button. Click on this button to proceed. You will see options to create an account. Select Create Your Website to go to the registration page. Next, enter your desired site address in the provided field. This will be the URL for your website. If the address is available, you will see a confirmation. If not, try a different name until you find one that works. Once you've chosen an address, click Continue. Now, you will be prompted to create an account. Enter your email address in the appropriate field. Set a strong password for your account. Make sure to remember this password for future logins. Then, provide a username that you would like to use. Once all information is filled, click on Create Your Account. You may need to verify your email address. Check your inbox for a verification email from WordPress. Click on the link in the email to confirm your account. After verification, you will be directed back to the WordPress site. Now, choose a plan that suits your needs. You can start with the free plan or select a paid option. After selecting a plan, fill in any required billing information if needed. Once everything is set, confirm your choices. Now you are officially registered with WordPress. You will be taken to your new site's dashboard. From here, you can start customizing your website. Explore different themes and plugins to enhance your site. Congratulations on taking the first step in your WordPress journey. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.